Hey YouTube, this is another video from Dan's Organic Food Forest. Yeah, I ordered some seeds, for next year's spring, and I got them in the mail today. I actually ordered them from Baker's Creek, so I wanted to share, with you guys while I'm opening the package. Okay, so let's check it out. All right, so this is package. Open pack. One of the seeds I ordered was the Okra, Bowling Red. It's a heirloom variety. All of these seeds are from Baker's Creek. You could actually take a look at that. It's a red color okra, some which I really love. And what? Cilantro. Cilantro is a gift. They gave you the cilantro pack as a gift. So you order some seeds and you get that extra. Yeah. So I'm gonna be planting these right away. And then I order watermelon, Orangeglo watermelon. I watched one of these guys on YouTube, and he was at that seminar. Yeah, and he was like, this was one of the best seed watermelons to grow. It grow right through the year, and it's really good. You get it in abundance. There's a watermelon Orangeglo. Next seed here is tomatoes, and these are the yellow gooseberry tomatoes. Yeah, yellow gooseberry tomatoes. And there's another Orangeglo watermelon. And there is the collards, green collards. Yeah, I'm going to be planting this right away. Hopefully grow on time. And then there was an eggplant. Yep. And there's also, I ordered some zinnias for next spring. Yeah. To add to the garden. So that's it. Yep, and they sent me this thank you note in the pack. So thank you, Baker's Creek. I ordered these seeds, and within 2 days they were actually here. Yeah, and these are all heirloom seeds, so no GMO. All right, so remember to subscribe to the channel, like, and share.
Remember to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell. Remember to click 5. Remember to get my channel.